What's good, YouTube? You see the title, man, and I'm gonna go ahead and get right into it. Can you really make money trading options? I'm gonna keep it all the way 1,000 with you. Yes. Have you seen my trajectory? You can definitely make a lot of money trading options, but I have to be honest with you again. 90% of options traders will fail. It's just the truth. The reason why is because 90% of options traders do not want to come into this trading game and be disciplined. Nobody wants to focus on discipline. Nobody wants to focus on patience. Everybody wants to rush the process. And that's why the majority of options traders fail. They don't want to dedicate themselves to saying, hey, I'm going to be a great options trader. They just want to make the money fast. Do you not see this culture? The majority of options traders just join these different discords and they're just looking for call outs and they think that's going to be the way to making money. That's so far from the truth. Now, are there great Discord communities? Yes, I have a great Discord community. But I realized early on that just telling people what to hop in is not going to be the way to secure financial freedom. You have to focus on building a great strategy, and you have to focus on the discipline that comes with that. Now, it's two things that's going to make you a great options trader. Number one, you have to build confidence in yourself as an options trader. The only way to build confidence is to make sure you're entering the market every single day with a strategic plan. And number two, you have to build trust within yourself to execute your plan properly every single day. If you don't trust yourself as an options trader and you can't follow your own rules and be accountable for them, then how do you expect to be profitable, man? I'm telling y'all right here, right now, discipline is the key. A lot of people want to skip over that step. A lot of people want to make this money fast, and it's just not going to happen that way. I'm telling y'all right now, options is already a risky trading strategy. Why would you bring upon more risk? It makes no type of sense. And let me ask you these three questions. What brokerage are you on? Do you have a trading plan? And if I asked you right now for that trading plan, could you give it to me in great detail with no hesitation? And number three, do you use your charts when you're entering a position and monitoring it? See, those three questions may be basic to you, but a lot of people can't answer those three questions in the way that I'm looking for. The reason why is because they're rushing the process. They do not have a plan when they enter the market. Like, if you don't have a plan, then you're planning to fail. You have to have a plan in the market, and that's the reason why 90% of options traders are not going to make it. It's too close to gambling. I'm telling y'all. It's too close. The concept is too close, and that's just the truth. A lot of people are going to enter the options trading market with the same mentality of a gambler. And if you enter this arena, you're going to get clapped trying to gamble. You better come to the table playing chess and not checkers, because this market will devour you. Do I believe in every single options trader? Of course. But you have to listen to what I am telling you. You have to. Everybody playing this gambling game, talking about lottos and this, that, and the third. How do you expect to beat the options game when the most important thing in options is time? So when you're playing these lottos and you're getting these 0 days and you're getting these expirations that expire the same week, how do you expect to make the right decision? And even if you win on a trade, like I see a lot of people talking about these 500% gainers and these 1,000% gainers, who cares if you only put $100 on it? The reason why you can't size up on your position and put nothing that you really want to put on it is because you're not confident in it, because it's risky. Like, do y'all get this? Like, you can't put nothing real on it because you don't even trust the trade. It makes no sense. It's madness. Man, start buying time. Give yourself time on the trade, man. That's all you have to do. Give yourself time on the trade and stop buying out of the money calls and puts. Please. Theta is a real thing, and if you don't know what theta is, that's time decay. The stock can go either up or down. Theta will affect that. Implied volatility will affect that. Do you even check your implied volatility percentage? Do you know if you're buying those premiums for a fair price? These are real questions that you probably never even thought about, because you have to dissect the game of options trading. A lot of people just think it's about charts. It's so much deeper than that. Did you ever just think you're an options trader? So if you're an options trader, why aren't you learning everything there is to know about options contracts? You have to use your brain, buddy. Please. I'm telling y'all, man, this thing is very easy. But the thing about options traders is they're going to make it complicated. And it's really not a complicated concept. I want y'all to go into the trade thinking like this. When you take your position, essentially, you're placing a bet on where you feel like the stock will be in the time that you're given. So if Apple is at this number, you're basically saying, I feel like Apple will be above or below this strike price by the time my contract expires. Now, when you're thinking about that concept, you have to be realistic. Do you truly feel like it's going to drop or go up 20 strikes in less than a week? Are you kidding me? Have you taken the time to look at the ATR to see how that stock has been moving? Be realistic, buddy. You have to be. I'm telling y'all, man, it's certain things that you have to think about, because what I had to stop doing is making something that was risky even more risky. Like, I had to start taking those things out that was getting me clapped. I had to take it out of my mind. I had to stop doing it. And literally to this day, anytime I go against the rules and I do anything that's stupid to me, I end up losing. And you know what? I can't even feel bad for it, because I need to get smacked in the face. I need to. But sometimes you're gonna make mistakes, but you have to take that out of your DNA as an options trader. That's the way you beat the game. Do you wanna be the trader that nickel and dime for the next 10, 20 years? Talk about, oh, I've been trading for so long. Well, have you got anywhere? Are you trading a 6-figure portfolio? Are you trading a 7-figure portfolio and beyond? No. Then I don't care how long you've been trading options, because obviously something didn't click. And the majority of OGs in this options game have that story. It's only a few that I know that have made a lot of money, and they were able to keep it and multiply it and take it to the next level. But the majority of OGs that I see and I watch, they have these sob stories or these coulda, woulda, shoulda stories. You know why? Because they play the game risky and they're never able to get ahead. I want y'all to understand this. You have to make a goal and you have to focus on forward progression when you think about that goal. Nothing else. You can't think about the losses you've had in the game, and you can't even think about the wins too much. You have to focus on forward progression. That's it. If you're thinking about anything else, you're gonna lose. So that's what I want y'all to think about as an options trader. I want y'all to think about, how can I play this game smart? It's all about smart money. It's all about taking the risk out. And it's all about doing the right things. But the only way to think about the right things is to think about what matters. what can mess up your trade and what can make your trade. You have to think about these things as an options trader, man. I want you to be a part of the 10% that's going to be profitable, that's able to tell the story that you've made all of this money as an options trader. You have made all of these investments and done all of these things with the money. I don't want you to be the person talking about how you tried options out, it didn't work, it was too hard, it was too risky. It's something that people do not need to try. I don't want y'all having that story. I want y'all having the glory story, man. That's what it's about. But you have to listen, man. You have to listen, and you can beat this game of options. I'm telling you, man. I don't want y'all to be on the 90% side, because I'm going to just keep it a buck. Majority of people that's traded options are profitable because they just do dumb stuff, man. It's not a hard concept, man. Get in control of your emotions. Stop doing stupid stuff. Stand up.
Y'all be weak in the knees. Stand up. Stand up.
Stop doing stupid stuff. Please, man. I'm telling you, you do not have to be a loser when it comes to options. You can definitely be a winner, man. So let's win. All I need is 30 days to get rid of your toxic ways. So come tap in with your boy at Stock Market Moves, man. I'm going to show you the game. I'm going to break the game down to you. All I need for you to do is listen and apply what I tell you to apply. And honestly, you can get a lot of that game from simply watching my YouTube channel. Just listen. That's it. I've done all this stupid stuff. Why would you do something that I've already done if I told you that it didn't work or it was something risky? Like, why would you just jump into the fire? I just told you were gonna get burned. It makes no sense. Why wouldn't you just go around? I'm telling you literally how to go around and how to get to the goal, and you don't want to do that. You still want to try to jump over the fire and reach the goal. It makes no sense, man. Go around, man. Go around a safe way through the valley and go up the mountaintop just by listening to what I'm telling you. Like, don't be ridiculous, man. I'm looking forward to building with y'all. I'm looking forward to hearing your stories about how you made all of this money off options. But I'm telling y'all, man, you have to do the right things. With all that being said, follow me on all social media. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Man, let's continue to build. I'm going to continue to give you the game. I'm going to continue to break things down. You can make money, but you only can make it if you're not doing stupid stuff. Let's get it, man. I'll see y'all in the next one.